You're watching Fola-Alade. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So you can see my hair bouncing or whatever, and yes, I did that myself, and I'm going to be showing you guys in this video how to do your own passion twist. So make sure to stick around to the end to learn something new. Okay, so before this tutorial begins, you are going to need a cutting comb, 1 jar of conditioning gel at least, because you will use one at least, a crochet pin, rubber bands, black or clear, and of course passion twist extensions. Personally, I use 6, and yeah. Okay, so while I'm getting myself ready over here, I'm gonna tell you this for free. Passion twists do tend to come undone near where your hair meets the braid, so you do not want to skip this step. Okay. So what I'm doing here is using the double mirror method to part my hair into boxes. This is just so I can see the back better. When you are parting into boxes, you want to make sure that they are staggered, and this is so the braid falls in between each parting and not on top of another braid. Another tip that I would give you is that the bigger the box, the less braids there are, and the less full your hair would be. And on the flip side, the smaller the braids, the more full your hair would be. So, go crazy. So I had no particular reason for showing you guys this. I just found it cute that I felt the need to show a singular rubber band. But anyways, what I am showing you is me tying my each parting with a rubber band, because this is the rubber band method for passion twists. We are going to be leaving the rubber band in for the duration of our twisting. I'm showing you that I did not double on rubber bands because it makes the base really bulky. However, I did use conditioning gel to make the parting really slick, and I tied the rubber band as many times till it was super tight, and she do be looking cute.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I have done under all of this is my partings. My sister helped me because my perfectionist ass was about to be doing this for so long. So my middle parting, then I got these expression water wave in color 4. The price of the passion twist extensions alone are enough reason to want to do the twists yourself. They are on the expensive side because you have to buy many. As well as that, I would recommend getting it in color 2, because you could see a slight difference between the brown of the extensions and the black of my hair. Yay, so time for the juicy part, the actual twisting. So let's get into it. Take the crochet pin with the latch down, and I slide it underneath my rubber band like so, and I'm going to show you in a moment what that looks like close up. Next, I took my extensions. You could use 1 or 2 strands, and I made sure that they were even at the bottom, which just meant they were waist length, but obviously you can change the length if you want to. This is me twisting the braid to make it easier to hook onto the crochet pin without having any hairs flying away. Then I pull the latch down and drag the crochet pin back through my hair like so, making sure that either side of the loop is separate from the other. This part is very crucial to just braiding with ease. And so that is what I'm ensuring here, that they are separate. Then I take one of the sides of the loop and I pull it through the loop like so, just like that. For this next step, I need my hair completely out of the way, and you're going to take either end of the loop and pull, and just pull as tight as you can. making sure again that your hair is out of the way. So you really want to make sure that each strand is pulled as tight as it can be. Then I'm taking my hair and pulling both sides so that the parting is extra tight. The step that precedes this would be to fluff out your extensions. I didn't need to for this braid, but I will show you with an earlier braid that I did. So here on my fingers is conditioning gel, while I part either side of my hair into 2 pieces to match each side of the loop, and I'm just going to use the conditioning gel while I twist. For those of you who don't know how to twist, don't worry, later on in the video, a little later on, I will show you. But here, this is me demonstrating the motions you do to twisting. There will be a more detailed explanation to come, but yes, make sure you twist each strand, I would say, individually before you wrap them around each other to make the twist extra tight. And you want to make sure to use conditioning gel as you go to secure your natural hair with the extensions. So you have your 2 pieces, and you want to make sure that with the first one you're rolling it around itself with your 2 fingers like this. Then you're going to take that first piece and put it underneath the second piece, almost trading places with the second piece. And then you switch hands to do that. And again, you roll. You want to make sure that you're continually rolling each individual strand with itself before you twist it with the other strand. My kata, it looks so ugly here, but anyways, this is very ghetto, and I'm only doing this just so I can reach the ends of my hair. And then what I'm gonna do next is, obviously when I reach the end of the braid, I'm gonna take it and I'm just gonna wrap it around my finger, literally just with a little bit of conditioning gel, wrap it around my finger. And she stays. I don't know how she does it, but she does stay. Come on, look at these twists, trying to be modest and everything. Come on, it's true that I'm a bad what? That I eat my rice and cabbage. Braid so long, they want to grab it. But yeah, I did that.
The next day.
And now I'm just gonna take this hair sculpting foam. We're gonna shake it around a bit, and we're just gonna put that in my hair. I'm actually kidding myself here, but here is a towel dipped in hot water that I'm putting at the roots of my twists just to ensure that they lie flat, or as flat as possible. Okay guys, so that is the end of this tutorial. This is just me doing the finishing touches. I really hope that this video helped you, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because you'll be helping me. So thank you guys for watching my video till the end, and stay cute and have a blessed week. Mwah. Wait, what did I do?